Hi friends, I am Shouraj and you are watching Knowledge Hub. But today we are not going to do any type of studies. Sometimes taking break is good for health. So today I am going to present you cover tune of Gulabi Ankhe from my friend Rajdeep. So keep enjoying. So how was it? I think you enjoyed it. So if you like it, press the thumbs up button, and he has a separate channel named Aquastic Guy. I will give the link of it in the description box below. So go and check it out guys. I insist you to subscribe his channel. He keep coming with this type of cover tunes. So thank you for today guys. We will meet in the next video.